guys, this Ford Mustang from Hattie, 1,000 horsepower, guys. Oh, tremendous! Woo, man, crazy, crazy. Come in. Yeah, look at this. Oh man, scary fast. That side. Man, sounds so mean. Bam! More. A little bit more. Okay. Go over here a little bit. Okay. Yeah, it's too low. We have to do this, guys. Woo, man, too low on the ground. Được chưa? Yeah, going up, guys. See, on the lick. See underneath that. See where's the lick? Lick right here. Okay. Right here, right? The oil drain bolt. Yeah, I told you last time.
I changed the point.
I don't think so. I don't
You're
know.
gonna snap that.
It's oil lick right here.
You're gonna snap that.
Mustang, guys? Want a Mustang? Yeah, man. Woo! Gotta get my Mustang next. Woo, man. Where's my speaker? Gone. Underneath that, underneath this guy. Woo! Man, very clean. Now we have to do the exhaust. Okay, we're gonna modify the skid plate on it, guys. Look at this. Woo, man, look at that. Yeah. So skid plate is almost ready. Now the last part, I just grind it and make it even a little bit. So when you touch it, it's not sharp or anything. Yeah, guys. Woo. Nice one. Bumper hold really tight, guys. Very tight.
put this spray in.
Starter fluid.
Slide it up.
There you go. Whew.
Oh, this one
Yeah.
we use different thing. We use it. Nó không cái trôi đi theo á.
Vậy đó hả? Ồ.
No, no, please.
Scare.
Like if you split, run 10.
10.
Okay, guys. Pham Motorsport, Pham Legend, guys. This F-150 for us to tune. Look at this. Woo, man. It's crazy. Very, very big. Man. Lower it down, guys. Let's make this thing fast, guys. Yeah. Woo. Man. Big. Man, crazy, man. Yeah, too big. But a very potential truck. But it's gonna cost a lot of money to get a different system to see what the customer want. Woo, man, I love the truck. I love the supercharger. Look at this. Yeah, and they call Whipple supercharger, right? Whipple supercharger. What do you guys think? Woo, man, look at this. Yeah, Whipple. Yeah, put a battery right here.